Hi everyone, welcome back to another Bochiknot Macrame knot series tutorial, and in today's video we will be going over an alternating triangle sennit. So I have previously released a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the triangle knot. In this tutorial I'm going to take that a step further and make an alternating triangle sennit. You will need a long strand of cord of about 150 centimeters long, folded in half to practice this knot pattern. Start by taking the right cord and folding it over the left cord on the top loop end. Make a loop facing the right side with the cord underneath. Holding on to the side loop, take the top cord end and weave that cord end through the hole at the very top. Then take that cord end and weave it through top to bottom on the side loop. Pull on both cord ends to tighten. And you have now made the first triangle knot. We're going to alternate the sides of the triangle knots, so our next triangle knot here, made with a side loop using the right cord, and then the top cord, weaving it through the hole in between the last triangle knot and the top of the side loop, and then we're going to take that cord end and weave it through the side loop from top to bottom. Before you pull on both cord ends here to tighten, we're going to shift and maneuver the cords above this triangle knot so that it is nice and snug next to the first triangle knot above. Now we're going to switch sides again, and we're going to take the left cord and make a side loop once more, following the same triangle knot pattern as before. Continue alternating the triangle knots a few more times. If you guys are interested in more step-by-step tutorials, knot tutorials just like this one, you can check out my Bochiknot Macrame knot series playlist on my channel, or my 50 knots and sennits video tutorial, which will also include a link for a free download of my 50 knots and sennits ebook. Once you have made several alternating triangle knots, this is what the finished pattern should look like, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.